Hey guys, welcome to Tots and Moms. My name is Kavita. In today's video I am going to talk about biscuits. Can we give this to babies? Now this video is targeted mainly at babies, if you can give it to them or not, but definitely all the points which I explain you may think about if we need to give it to older kids or not. So please do watch the video till the end because it's going to be beneficial, and for the first time if you are watching this video on my channel, click on that subscribe button because I keep sharing videos like this and I'm sure it will be useful for you. Now what goes into a biscuit is the first question you will have to ask. Please check the label before buying any biscuit outside. Now what do they include majorly? Maida, then vegetable fats, now salt, sugar, and additives, flavors, and preservatives, emulsifiers, added colors sometimes, and many other things. Okay, now for your question, can I give this to my baby? We'll break this down one by one, the major ingredient which is gone into this biscuit. First of all, maida. Maida is carcinogenic. What is maida? It is refined wheat flour. Now when you say refined, it is not something which is finer than wheat. It means that all the fiber content is gone, and at least most of all protein is gone. It's broken down to a phase where it's very fine and easily compatible to make into a biscuit. It is dangerous for babies because they can get constipated, they will have a lot of digestion issues. Second thing is they don't use butter, they use vegetable fats. Please check at the back. If they have used butter, plus there will be vegetable fat or vegetable oil. Now dalda or something like this is really not a healthy fat. Next, salt or sugar. Please go and check the video where I have spoken extensively about why salt or sugar is not good for babies. In brief, salt can be dangerous for babies' kidney. They need less than a pinch per day, so it is almost nil that they need, and the sodium requirement is taken care by breast milk or formula milk. And sugar makes them not even hyperactive, overactive, and they sleep less, they are on the go all the time, and they gain lesser weight. And milk solid. Now until an year, milk is not suggested. Cow's milk is not recommended for babies because cow's milk is for calves, and they need more protein which is produced by cows, which is found in cow's milk. Now if a human baby is taking it, lactose intolerance is going to be very common, and they will have digestion issues. Even if the allergy symptom is not visible highly, you can notice that baby is not able to digest it well, and something which cannot be tolerated by babies. Added flavors. Now why do you eat one biscuit and feel like eating one more? There are additional flavors which has been added here, and when we can get so easily addicted to it, babies shall too. Now they will start avoiding homemade foods, and they will get addicted and keep demanding it all the time. Then chemicals and preservatives. A lot of it that goes in is going to kill the immunity of the baby. Now at a very young age, when you start giving chemicals like this, it will not immediately show on a baby's body, no reaction would be seen, but yes, it is diminishing the immunity of your child, and chemicals do no good to anybody. Even if it is found safe, over a period of time it is not good. And junk policy is something we will be falling into. Now something which is processed is a junk. Something which has no nutritional benefit, no health benefit is considered as junk. Just like sev puri, pani puri, or chips or something we eat, those are all termed as junk. If you are buying a processed packaged biscuit, it is a junk food. So it's good to avoid, and in the next segment I'll talk about what else can be done. Okay, now all biscuits are not junks. When you make it at home with healthy ingredients like wheat flour or millet based ingredients, multigrain, and you use natural sweeteners like dates powder or jaggery powder or even sugar to an extent when you make it at home without using any chemicals, or avoid baking agents. And yes, for babies below an year you can customize it. You can skip that sugar, you can add some other cinnamon powder for flavoring, and this is all possible. And trust me, it is easy to make it. If you don't have an oven, don't have to worry. There are plenty of recipes over the channel that you can find out and make it at home. And on my channel as well, there are recipes of multigrain sattu mavu cookies, dry fruit cookies. There is paneer cracker. I mean, when this is the holiday season, please do check the link in the description box, and I'm sure you will love it. It is very easy. I do not do anything which takes a lot of time because I don't have a lot of time. So I have tried and tested these recipes, and most of them have liked it as well. There is sesame seed cookies and many cookies and bakes which can be homemade. So do check that section. And at Tots and Mom store, few years before, I was selling cookies, and I eventually had to stop it due to labor concerns, and I am planning to restart it. If you are interested, do comment below and let me know. And if there is anything about this video that you still need to know about this content, or about this topic rather, do comment and I will try to respond to you as soon as possible. The next video is not yet planned. If you have any suggestion, do comment below on that as well. Let me know what topics you are interested, so that it's useful for you. I making videos one-on-one. If it's not being watched, or if it is not liked by you, there's no point. So do let me know, and thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you soon in yet another one. Take care of yourself till then. Bye bye.